Yes. So everyone observe. So yesterday we are in the periodic function. I will tell periodic function means we can take 180, 90, 180, 270 and 360 angles only. That is the end of the quadrant angles. Quadrant angles only we can take. End of the quadrant angles only we can take. That is the zero we cannot take initial. Therefore, 90. So that is the formula is f of t plus x is the same without the same sign, same function. F of x is same. That is the t is the least value should be taken. Least value we can be take. T is the least value should be take. That means pi satisfied, 2 pi satisfied, 3 pi satisfied. Now we can see. Rahul, now we can see. Now it is clear, Rahul. Okay, okay. Yours is trucking, Vishal. Richal, okay, right. Everyone see. So least value is called as a no, sorry. Okay, right. So now least value is called as a period. Therefore, period means what is the definition of the period mean? It is the repeated value. After 2 pi, sine values are repeated. After 2 pi, cos values are repeated. After pi, tan values are repeated. Therefore, first point yesterday will tell sine x and cos x. Sin x coefficient, sin x reciprocal is the cosecant x, cos x reciprocal is the secant x. These all have the period is 2 pi. Okay, na? Tan x and its reciprocal is the cot x. Both have the period is pi. Both have the period is pi. Next one. So properties of the period is sine of a x plus b. X coefficient is there mean period will become as a sine period by x coefficient write down. Sine period by x coefficient write down. Here x coefficient is the 1. That's why we write 2 pi. Here x coefficient is the a. You should be write down 2 pi by a. Okay, na? So this is the one of the period. So root of f of x period is never be changed. Same f of x period only. What is the f of x period? That should be taken. Okay, na? Reciprocal also period cannot be changed. Same period of f of x only we can take. Reciprocal function, root function never be changed. Logarithmic function, log of f of x, period also same, never be changed. Period of the same, never be changed. Root of f of x, period is the same f of x. One reciprocal period cannot be changed. Okay, na? Reciprocal period cannot be changed. Logarithmic function period cannot be changed. Okay, na? Right. Exponential function e power of f of x period is the same f of x. Period is the same f of x. A power of f of x period is the same f of x. So these points yesterday I will explain. And one more point is yesterday what we have to discuss is so period of sine. Now we write yesterday one more property we should be right. What is the property we have to discuss yesterday is period of sine x rise to the power of n, cos x rise to the power of n, cosecant x power is raised to n, and secant x power is raised to n. For these all, even power c their period is pi. So it's the two condition is there. So period is pi if n is even. If n is even. Okay, na? 2 pi if n is odd. If n is odd, then the period is 2 pi. If n is even, period is pi. Okay, na? And is sine square x. See, sine square x. So now we can take sine square of pi plus x, third quadrant. Sine is negative. Sine of x whole square. Whole square will make as a positive. Therefore, sine square x, same we are getting. Same we are getting. Therefore, if period is pi for even function. But odd function is the period is 2 pi. Sir, can I leave today so much network problem? I will watch a recorded video. Okay. Sir, video is strucking. Now see, video never be stuck by. Now see, right now see. So small network problem will be arranged means it will be strucking. Okay. Now we can see any problem is there. Now any problem is there. No, sir. Letters are not clear. Now see, Maruti. Now see, letters are clear. Letters are clear. Everything is clear. You teach, sir. Again, we watch recorded. Yes. Right. Everyone see. Now we can see what is the period we have to be discussed. Modulus of sin x. Modulus of sin x. Modulus of sin x. Modulus of cos x. Modulus of cos x. Modulus of, see here is, so we will write power is the tan power of power raised to x, cot power of raised to x, then its period is always fixed pi, even though it is a odd or even. So for odd or even, n is even or n is odd, the period cannot be changed for these two only. Okay, na? So modulus of sin x, modulus of cosecant x, modulus of cos x, and a modulus of sec x, and a modulus of tan x, and modulus of cot x. For all these functions, period is the only one. What is the period is pi only. The period is pi only. Okay, na? The period is pi. Basavarasi network is not okay, not clear. Watch the video. What we can do? Okay. All right. Period is pi. Its period is pi. So listen and you should be watch the video. Okay, na? Right. Period is pi. So for these all period is the pi. Okay, na? Right. Next one, I go through the constant function. Another note point. Next note point is the constant function. For constant function, I will tell it is a parallel to x-axis. That means y value is the fixed, but x value is not a fixed. So it is a periodic function. Constant function is a periodic function, but there is no fixed period. So x value is a 0, or x value is the 1, or x value is the 2, or x value is the 3. It is every constant function is a periodic function, but x value is not a fixed. That's why what we are saying that it is a periodic, but never have the fixed period. It have no fixed period. But okay, na? Clear? This is the one more note point. Last one we are going to discuss. Everyone see the. Everyone see the last one we are going to discuss. f of x has the period is t, g of x have the period is t2, f of x has the period is t1, g of x has the period is t2, g of x has the period is t2, okay na? F of x has the period is t1, g of x have the period is t2, okay na? Period is t2. Now f of x into g of x period is f of x into g of x period is, and f of x plus or minus g of x period is for all these functions. So f of x plus or minus function or multiplication function for this period is, so LCM of f of x period and g of x period, LCM of f of x period and g of x period. Last one, f of x by g of x is given. So f of x into g of x by h of x into k of x function is given. Numerator is the LCM. Numerator is the LCM of periods of f of x and g of x, periods of f of x and g of x. Denominator is GCM of greatest common factor of GCD of it or highest common HCF of, so periods of HC of periods of h of x into g of x, h of x into k of x, h of x and k of x. How can you take this one is I will explain in problems. Today we can do the problems also regarding this one. Everyone observe about the problems. Okay, na? So all points, properties of the periodic function is completed. So this is the set, this is the for JE and set K set problems only. But our CBSE syllabus for PU not given this one. Okay, na? Just point is given, it should be left out. So next we go through the problems. We can see now we have to discuss the problem. Then it will be right. Everyone see. First one is find the period of find the period of f of x is equal to e power of ln sin x plus tan cube x minus cosecant of 3x minus 5. Now see the problem is, everyone observe, I will write. So hint of this problem is, so f of x is log e, both are anti, should be cancelled. It will become as a sin x plus tan cube x minus cosecant of 3x minus 5. Next part is sin x period is 2 pi. Sin x period is 2 pi. Tan odd power or even power period is pi. Tan even power odd power period is pi. So cosecant x, only cosecant period is the 2 pi, but x coefficient is the 3. Therefore 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Okay, na? So here is the 2 pi by 3. So here LCM of numerator write down, denominator HCF write down. LCM of numerator is LCM of 2 pi, and pi, 2 pi LCM write down. HCF highest common factor is write down 1, 1, 3 should be is the HCF. Write down LCM of 2 pi, pi and 2 pi. LCM is the 2 pi. HCF means highest common factor. 1 is multiplied. Factor is the 1 into 1. Another one is the 1. 3 factors are 3 into 1. Highest common factor is the 1 only. 1 is repeated 3 times. 1 is repeated. Therefore, highest common factor is the 1. You should be write down 2 pi by 1. Okay, na? Right. Second problem. Find the period of see, sine power of 4x plus cos power of 4x. Already I will tell point is sine power of nx, cos power of nx. It have two types of the periods. What are the? One is pi, n is even. N is 2 pi, n is odd. So here sine of power is the even, period is the pi. Cos power is the even, period is the pi. Both LCM is LCM of. So pi period is the only pi. Therefore answer is pi. That's enough. Okay, right. Third question. Find the period of f of x is equal to, find the period of f of x is equal to modulus of sine of 4x plus modulus of cos of 4x. Already I will tell the point. Modulus of sin x have the period. Modulus of cos x, modulus of cosecant x, all are have the period is pi. All are have the period is pi. But here x coefficient is the 4, period is, its period is pi by sine period is the pi, x coefficient by 4. Here also period is pi, x coefficient is the 4, pi by 4. LCM is, so pi by 4, LCM is the pi by 4. That is the period of the given function. Okay, na? Right. Next, fourth problem, right up, period of, find the period of root of cos x. Already I tell root function, reciprocal function, exponential function, the period is the only f of x. So this is the root of cos x. Only cos x period is right down. What is the period of cos x is the 2 pi. For root function, for reciprocal function, for exponential function, for logarithmic function, the period is same f of x. Therefore here f of x is the cos x. Therefore, the period of cos x is the 2 pi, write down, even though it is a root function. Okay. Next, find the period of cos of root x. X never be root. So angle, x means angle. Angle never be root. Angle never be square. Angle never be root. Angle never be square. Okay, na? Angle never be square, angle never be root. Okay, na? Angle never be square, angle never be root. So therefore, no period. For this one is no period. Okay, clear everyone? Right. Everyone see the problem. Next one problem. Find it if best problem. Next, see the problem is if T1 is the period of T1 is period of T1 is period of y is equal to e power of 3 x minus step x. This is already I tell what is the name of that one is. And T2 is the period of, and T2 is the period of, T2 is the period of, and T2 is the period of, T2 is the period of y is equal to 3 times of e power of 3x minus 3 times 3 of step x. Okay, na? Then option C is given. What is the first option is T1 is equal to T2. Second option is 3T1 is equal to T2. Third option is T1 is equal to 3T2. Fourth option is 3T1 is equal to 2T2. These are the given options. Okay, na? These are the given options. Everyone observe. X minus step x is called fractional part of x. The fractional part of x period is, fractional part of x figure is all are going, not exceed 1, not exceed 1. So this is the like this one, not exceed 1, not exceed 1, not exceed 1, not exceed 1, not exceed 1. So this is the figure of the not exceed 1. This is the figure of the, so the fractional part of x. Therefore, the partial part of x is the period is same. Period is the y value, that is the same. Okay, na? So the period is the same. What is the period is the 1. Fractional part of the x period is 1. Fractional part of the period is period of fractional part of x. Fractional part of x is 1. Always remember this one point. So now come to the point. T1 is the period of, so e power of 3x. Okay, na? So y is equal, its period is, so that is equal to y is equal to e power of 3 times of fractional part of x. So here e power of any f of x, only f of x period is we can write. Fractional part of period is the only one. T1 is equal to 1. 3 is not a coefficient. 3 is the outside of fractional part. Okay. Second one, y is equal to e power of fractional part of 3x. Now 3 is the coefficient. Now 3 is the, its period is already fractional part of period is the 1, but coefficient is 3, 1 by 3. Therefore, now write down T2 is equal to 1 place is the T1 by 3. 3T2 is equal to T1. 3T2 is equal to T1. Okay, right? Right. Next problem. Here 3 is not a coefficient. Here 3 is not a coefficient. 3 is the outside of the fractional part. But here is the 3 is the inside of the fractional part. Inside of the fraction. Therefore, it will become as a coefficient. Okay, now it is clear, right? Period of f of x is equal to cos of pi x by n factorial minus sine of pi x by n plus 1 factorial. Now, cos period is the 2 pi, cos period is the 2 pi, its x coefficient is the pi by n factorial. Sine period is the 2 pi, its coefficient is the pi by n plus 1 factorial. Now I will write, first one is the pi cancel, 2n factorial. Second one is the 2n plus 1 factorial. These two LCM we can take. These two LCM we can take. Then we get the 2 LCM is the 2 only. N factorial, n plus 1 factorial. LCM is the highest, n plus 1 factorial. That's enough. Okay, na? Next, everyone see. Everyone observe. If period of f of x is equal to tan of root of step of k, root of step of k into x is pi. Its period is the pi. Okay. Where this is the closed bracket is the greatest integer function symbol. Then first option is 1 less than k less than 2. Second option is 1 less than k less than 2. Third option is k is equal to 1, 2. Fourth option is n less than k less than n plus 1 is given. N less than k less than. Now see. Everyone observe what is the problem is here is the tan period is the same, root is there, nothing is happening. Tan period I will write. Okay, na? Tan period. What is the tan period is the pi only. X coefficient is the root of, what is the x coefficient is the root of k only. Now I will write. So everyone see hint of the problem is, so tan of root of step of k into x. Therefore, tan period is the pi by x coefficient is the root of k. Okay, na? Already its period is given by, pi. Okay, na? Period is given by pi. Pi cancel. So root of step of k is equal to 1 by the squaring on both sides. Step of k is equal to 1. Step function means, what is the meaning of step function? 1 getting mean, it lies between 1 to 2. So 1 getting mean, k must be lies between 1 to 2. The k value must be lies between 1 to 2. So any value in between 1 to 2, it comes to the left side 1 only. Okay, na? 1 only getting, therefore 1 is included, but 2 never be included. Okay, now only 1 value is coming, but 2 never coming. So the k value lies between 1 and 2. We get 1 value only, not 2 value. It comes to the left side only. Right. Everyone see next problem is the period of f of x. The period of f of x x plus sin x minus step x minus step x. First option is the pi, second option is the 1, third option is the 2 pi, fourth option is the pi by 4. These are given. See, the hint of this problem is f of x is equal to x minus step x plus sin x. X minus step x is the fractional part of x. This is the fractional part of x plus sin x. Fractional part of x period is the 1, sin x period is the 2 pi. By the LCM answer is LCM of 1 and 2 pi. Answer is 2 pi. That's enough. Right, everyone see. Next, what is the last problem in this one? The period of f of x is equal to the period of